Wednesday.
Now, First Alert weather with Grant Dave.
Our thunderstorm impacts, especially tomorrow night into Wednesday morning, early Wednesday morning. Tornado threat about a 3 out of 10. So that doesn't sound very high, but that is just, it doesn't take but one tornado to cause a really bad evening or night. So we're going to have to watch the radars very closely because the atmosphere is set up to where we could see 1 or 2 tornadoes. Hail and high wind, especially high winds as the front comes through. A pretty significant line of thunderstorms looks to develop. Much more on that in just a second. But it is quiet now. Now's the time to plan. Make sure you have the weather app handy. Make sure you start charging those mobile devices in case we do lose power. Another thing, if you have the weather app downloaded, make sure you have the alerts turned on so if you're asleep and a tornado warning is issued for your location, it can wake you up. It could possibly save your life. We want to make sure that everybody has a way to get warnings tomorrow night. Now, tonight, we're going to hear rumbles of thunder towards the morning hours in a few areas. I don't want you to be too alarmed. These will be what we call elevated thunderstorms. Means the main threat from them, hail, about the size of dimes. If they get a little out of hand, we could see a couple of isolated quarter-size hail, and if that happens, they'd be severe thunderstorms. We'd see a couple of warnings issued, but no tornadoes expected with this round of scattered storms coming through tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon, things pretty quiet. Warm, a bit breezy, and then we're going to start watching a couple of showers that try to get their act together during the late evening hours. This is what concerns me right here. Those isolated storms that you saw blowing up. If those do develop, those are the kind of storms that will produce very large hail, gusty winds, and isolated tornadoes. So we're going to have to watch the radars very closely, and then here comes the front. Early Wednesday morning, a good, strong line of storms will move through, with the main threat with this line being winds over 60 miles per hour. So it's going to be about 3 rounds of storms we have to get through, and we will continue to track those for you closely throughout the day tomorrow. So overnight tonight, pretty mild out there. Temperatures only dropping down into the mid to upper 50s. Scattered showers and thunderstorms developing towards the morning hours. 52 Mount Vernon, 56 in Marion, 58 Union City. Tomorrow afternoon, scattered showers and thunderstorms, especially late, with temperatures in the low to mid 70s for highs. So plenty warm enough for those storms during the afternoon hours. So you definitely want to be paying very close attention to the weather throughout the afternoon hours and evening hours tomorrow and early Wednesday as well. Now, once we get through Wednesday morning, much cooler, drier air filters in. Thursday, 58, 49 on Friday. And right now, it looks like a pretty good weekend in store. But stay tuned for the latest on all those storms.
Here in the heartland, it can get pretty humid at times, and some ladies know what that can do to their hair. We're going to tell you about one solution from a Louisiana dad that just wanted to solve his daughter's problem.